If I gave you 500 million pounds worth of capital, how would you allocate it?
Oh my goodness. I hope this is my relatively near-term future. So what I want to do, right, is build a business that powers the world's investment decisions for real assets or for the built world. But simultaneously, I want to make the real assets marketplace and real assets themselves more accessible for everyone. So this is the sort of stated two-pronged mission of Fifth Dimension. I talk less about the second part based on the audience. So what does that mean functionally? Like, might we invest ourselves in affordable housing development in the not too distant future? Absolutely. Why? We'll have a crack team who, right, knows how to source the right loans, who knows how to make the regulatory process go really smoothly, who can actually keep a project on time and to budget if such a thing were ever possible, right? Like, we have the insights based on our positionality in the market to do something like that, not from a competitive standpoint. I never want to be a competitor with our customer base, but just to say, hey, like, we can also help make the built world better in a way that I would have appreciated when I was a young person. And so for me, that's one big angle. And then of course there's the, do we also get into venture ourselves? For me, I care quite a lot about the causes I've mentioned, but also about health technology and femtech specifically. And so, look, it's a frothy market, but there's also more and more interesting technology being built today than has ever been built in history. That's the way tech innovation works, right? The curve speeds up and speeds up and speeds up. I've written some angel checks. I'm definitely going to be writing more of them. And I think, like, if you are an investor, you have that investment mindset, which the people listening to this podcast do. I would honestly just encourage you to diversify the types of assets you think about. Maybe you're not going to be interested in investing, right, in like a startup today. You don't have the knowledge base, you don't have the network, but why not, right? You're playing a risky game, and there's a lot of assets out there, of knowledge and of sort of things that contribute to people's quality of life out there that are really worthy of capital and time.